Good morning, Maui, and happy solar eclipse that's happening right now that we cannot see. Jumping to our surface analysis, you will see our dominant high pressure is creeping back to the perfect spot northeast of the islands in the Pacific at 10:28. Our new tropical storm has developed into a hurricane named Kenneth. That's a good one. Other than that, we still have this little low on top of us and this little ridge coming down above us. Checking in on our Earth wind map, we have a 25 knot east northeast wind hitting the island, being fueled and ramped up by these high pressure and pushed by this hurricane. Gives us a nice wind flow, which we should have for a while now. Looking at our soundings, we see a nice line followed by some zigzags and some more nice lines and some more zigzags. It's again a hard one to read. Judging by yesterday, it was kind of like everyone said the best morning for Poli Poli in a while. Later in the day, the flying was epic. So, just judging by yesterday, today could just be epic too. Looking at Kauai, you'll see that our inversions don't exist. Those clouds can get up pretty high, and we might get some clouds punching through the inversion again, like yesterday. It's pretty fun to see all day some cumies punching through that inversion and doing the fist of God. Currently on our moisture maps, you'll see that we have this low, weird thing kind of developing on top of us, giving us some moisture and some clouds all around. And then you have Kenneth over here punching through the Pacific. And this map, you can see the development of the storm. It's probably raining on Kauai, and we're getting a few bands around ourselves. And finally, a look at our Doppler. You'll see that this east trade wind pattern pushing these showers. We got some build up over in Dagobah that probably release, and again Oahu is probably pretty wet too. Nice picture of the big blue. We have this Hurricane Kenneth and this little low that passed by yesterday that's just kind of developing around us. Wind Guru looks pretty nice in rainbow. Looks like some mellow to strong all week, and then back to some mellow next week. But looks like good wind all around. Tides are starting with low right now, boosting to pretty high by middle of the day, good foiling around 3, and backing off rather quickly by 8 o'clock. So high tide all day. Maui buoy is still small, 4.36 seconds. Hopefully Kenneth gives me some backyard waves because I need to go surfing. And finally, a look at our sun from the satellites that won't be a solar eclipse. You see here we have our active region pointing towards us. It's giving us some little baby flares, but nothing too extreme yet. Just these filaments. And then our incoming region, you'll see a nice little solar burst right there. And maybe another one coming up right there. And those aren't facing us, but it's still nice to see them pop. Alright guys, have a good day. Adios, au revoir.